I'm spitting and I'm living good, cause I ain't tripping. You can feel my buzz through the purple that I'm sipping. Go,
COD TV Cribs, what is up? I'm Lost in Place.
And I'm him.
Welcome to our crib.
Make sure to wipe your feet before you come in.
My mind fades like the clouds of the haze. My fitted tightens fast from the crowds of the
Alright, so this is the theater room. This is where we max out and relax, count all our YouTube money.
I don't know how much relaxing I'm doing with that big pile of stuff on the table. And Lost wanted to add all these damn screens.
We got the Chain Gang on constant loop, always playing every episode on every screen.
Like she's sitting in a stroller. They love how I walk the walk. My shoes so worn, looking like.
And here we are in the master bedroom. You know, a lot of people think that magic happens here, but it does not.
Speak for yourself, Lost. Magic happens for me here all the time. After I come down off that big pile of stuff on the table that was in that last room, man, I gotta catch some Z's. You very rarely ever come up here.
Got some expensive art and shit on the wall. I don't know. It's pimp.
We puff fly to this, we gon' grind to this. We finna get by to this and get fly to this. You know it's real, so we gon' die to this. We finna get high to this.
Yeah, I gotta say, this is one of my favorite toys.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with you on that one. Mine's pretty cool.
Well, mine's red, so that makes it faster automatically.
What are you talking about? It's the same damn car. It's just gonna get blown up anyway when we show them what we really do here.
Now, let's go to where the real magic happens around here.
Yeah, I think it's about that time to show the COD TV viewers what they've been waiting for.
Back of the line, yo, back of the line.
Walking this bitch, they must have missed me. Got more eyes than Mississippi. Cup full of UV mixed in a Sprite. Tryna make it in the game or similar to shooting dice. Damn, yeah, I see these bitches coming. What if I didn't manage the girlfriends? I wanted to try to tell me that I continue to keep running. Cause having more heart is something that they can't take from me. Thick bitches going ham. They hit the pole slow going down. I throw them ones, they pop the pussy. I start to drink and they home with me. Bring them in, start to drink again. Then it's a fuck fest with all the friends. They gotta go by midnight. Ain't no arrangements overnight.
Bad bitch, they love me. Got them bitches like Stacey D. I'm on 2, she on 3. And you wonder why she fucking me. Bad bitches, they love me. Got them bitches like Stacey D. I'm on 2, she on 3. And you wonder why she fucking me. Bad bitches, they love me. Got them bitches like Stacey D. I'm on 2, she on 3. And you wonder why she fucking me. Bad bitches, they love me. Got them bitches like Stacey D. I'm on 2, she on 3. And you wonder why.
Holy shit!